Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a door panel or a cover on a brand new 2019 Toyota CHR. All of this that I'm going to be doing here fresh with you, just as if you were doing it the first time, as this is a brand new car and I just got it. So we're going to jump right in. Some of the things that I would recommend that you have would be a simple thin screwdriver, or if you have one, a pry tool. Something plastic, as it is a brand new car, you do not want to scratch that. You would need a standard Phillips screwdriver, anything works at all. And then I do recommend a drill, as there's usually screws underneath, of course, that you will need to get out as quickly as possible. So with that, we're just gonna jump right in. First thing that we're gonna take off is the actual control module for all of your windows and locks and stuff like that. So if you actually just insert the screwdriver in right here. Being that this is a new car, I'm hoping this will pop right up. Looks like it will. So we're gonna do that. And it just pops right out. We do have some cables and things like that connected. We're just gonna disconnect those. Boom, came right out, nice and easy. We're gonna set that off to the side. All right, so next we're gonna take out this little plastic cover that's inside of the door handle area. So I'm just gonna put my screwdriver in between the switch and this. Boom, as you saw, popped right out. It's just a little plastic piece that's covering a screw that is right there. I'm gonna set that down as well. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our drill. I'm actually gonna switch to something a little bit longer, just so there's no chance I spin the drill on it or anything like that and scratch anything. We're gonna go ahead and take this screw out, as well as these two screws right here. So there's two screws right here. And we just want to make sure we be very careful with these and we don't lose these, because these are right next to this little well area where we just took our control panel out. All right, so we got those two screws out of our control panel area, and we have our one up here. Otherwise than that, from everything I've read, you actually should be able to pull this out now. So we're going to go ahead and try to do that. I'm going to start on this right side here, just because it does have a little handle area. Right, so as you can see, we did get the door off. It does still have these connected to the door handle right here. In addition, when that was popping out, you have this piece that sits right here on it. This is something that is separate, so you just got to be careful that if you don't want to scratch that or damage that when you're pulling it off, that it doesn't just fly all over the ground. All right, YouTube, we did it. So, just a little bit of help on this one. As you can see, the door handle itself actually comes out on this one. I'm gonna spin this around for you guys. So, on the back right here, there is a little ledge here that actually holds it from this side, and then right here is where a little clip comes in. I actually just took a little screwdriver and basically pushed right here on a little clip, and it caused it to pop out, so I can do that door. So I'm gonna set this off to the side for a second. That little clip on here was sitting right here. So basically you're just gonna push that little clip in right there, and it causes it to pop out, and then now you have this here. So from here, just in case you guys want to know how to get this piece off, we're gonna do that next. So it has these 3 little twist knobs right here. These you actually just twist and they'll actually unlock, as you can hear, which is pretty cool. As for these clips right here, I would highly recommend that you have some sort of pry tool or like clip popper. You want to make sure that obviously like you take them off with the correct tools necessary. So for me, I don't have one of those, so we're gonna do these with just a screwdriver, hopefully. And right now I'm just popping off these little twist knob things because they're just sitting in there, I found out. So these actually just sit around them, as you can see. So I'm actually just pulling these off around them, and I can probably maneuver them around them. So as you see, these don't have like actual like holes for them to be set in. So I was just able to pull these out from around it. And as you can see, our door handle lever here is just connected through this. So if I wanted to do this, I could just slide this out and disconnect these right here and take that off. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video on how to remove the door panel or cover for my 2019 Toyota CHR. Please like and subscribe to the channel below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other additional videos, please put in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.